So good evening all of you. Can I start? So we completed arithmetic mean. So she was there, you people are there. So today we are going to start mode of group data. Okay. So mode, then median, then dispersion. Okay. So to start the mode of group data, just you write the formula mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F naught divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 to be multiplied by H. This is the formula for finding mode. It is there in your textbook, page number 294. 294. Okay. So finding mode of group data. So this is for group data. So let us give an example. Okay. So example number 1, actually it is for ungroup. Find the mode. Find the mode. Find the mode of the following data. Done. So suppose I have an example like these numbers 4, 8, 9, 3, 6, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 5, 2, 6. Okay. So this is not group, it's an ungrouped data. So we are asked to find the mode of this. Right. Now this is not related to this formula, it's just the basic definition. So to find the mode of this ungrouped data, just to give an example I have given, it's very simple. The data or number that occurs for maximum number of times, that is only the mode. So the number which is appearing here for most of the time is the mode. So you can see here which number? 6. 6 is how many times? 2 times. So 8 3 times. 4 3 times. Yes or no? Then so these are the numbers. So here the highest number of times which is occurring, the number is I think 4. How many times? And also 8. So these two numbers can be written as your mode. So 4 and 8. It's not that mode will be only one number, it can be more than 2, more than 1. So this is one example. So here we got two modes, one is 4 and another one is, supposing this number is not there, then 4 is only the mode, 4 highest. But if the number that occurs equal number of times, for example here 4 3 times, 8 also got how many times? 3 times. So 4 3 times, 8 also 3 times. So both can be the mode. Getting it? Now this mode, that means the highest occurring data. The highest occurring data for these examples. So the highest number of times the data which occurred. So highest occurring data is only the mode, right? But this is totally for ungrouped data. We have discrete data. There was no tabular form, right? Now to start this tabular form, I give another example. Suppose write the second example again. Write it. Number 2, find a mode. Of the given data once again. So find a mode. Now suppose the data is given in this tabular form. Okay. We write here xi, and here suppose fi. Xi means the data, fi is the number of times occurring. So suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 2 occurred suppose 10 times, 3 occurs suppose 12 times, 4 is occurring suppose 20 times, 5 suppose 27 times, 6 suppose 23 times, 7 suppose 22 times, 8 suppose 1 time, okay, 5 times. Now to find the mode here, as I told just now that this xi is the data observation. So this is the these are the data. Now on the right fi is the frequency. So it means that when it is given like that, 2 is occurring 10 times, 3 12 times, 4 20 times, 5 27 times, 6 23 times. So which number here again occurred for maximum number of times? The number 5. 5 is occurring highest number of times. How many times? 27. Therefore the mode is very direct, mode is 27. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is again an example in discrete data. That means the data is not in group. Just you have to see which number occurred for highest number of times. So the number is 5 which is occurring. So this fi means how many times it is there. So 5 is there for 27 times, and hence the mode is 20 sorry. Hence the mode is which one? Mode is 5. Mode is the number itself, the number that occurs 27 times. So the mode will be which one? 5. It's not 5 occurred 27 times. So mode is what? Mode is 5. Right. Now this is the basic definitions actually with ungrouped data. Now I'm going to start this for group data. Okay, how to find the mode for group data. So you are going to study this finding mode for group data. Okay, now to start that, can I start? Okay, let me once again write an example here. All of you write one example. Suppose I'll do one and you also try one yourself. Find the mode. Find the mode of the given data. So now not discrete, now it will be a continuous, class intervals. Find the mode of the given data. Right. Now to start this, so let me give an example in terms of a tabular form. I'm doing this. The second one you will try yourself. Okay. So here, suppose these are the heights of students in centimeter. Suppose these are a number of students whose heights are measured. Okay. Now the height, suppose I am writing from 50 centimeter to 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, suppose 100 to 110, and 110 to 120. Getting it? So just I'm trying an example to find a mode for group data like this. So it's given from 50 to 60, these are the classes, till 110 to 120. Now on the right, suppose I'm trying to write the frequencies. Okay, suppose this is 6, then 4, suppose this is 5. Okay, the question is how to find the mode for group data like this. Okay, now to find the mode of group data, okay, I'm going to show you the answer. All of you try to understand how to find mode means what should be the highest occurring number in this representation or in this tabular form. So to find the mode, as you know, you need to write the direct answer, but steps you write down so that while revising you'll be able to understand what to do, what not to do. So here we find a modal class. I'm going to explain one by one. As I said, 80 to 90, which number? So this is 2, 8, 12, 6, 4, okay, 4, 4, 5. Just a minute. This is suppose 4, right? 5, this is suppose 3. Okay, all right. Can I start now? Now to find the mode, what you'll do, you see which is the highest frequency. Okay, here the highest frequency is which one? 12. 12 is the highest frequency. It is in which class? 70 to 80. That is only called modal class. Okay, so I repeat, out of all these frequencies, out of all the given frequencies, the highest frequency is 12. 12 is in the class what? 70 to 80. So this 70 to 80 is called modal class. Okay, so we need to find a modal class by this method. Just need to see the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 12. If it is suppose 18 here, then this would be the modal class. But now in this question, your highest frequency is 12, and that is in the class 70 to 80. So this 70 to 80 is the modal class, right? After writing the modal class, therefore, we need to write L. Now what is L? In the formula, just I want to show you one thing once again. So I'm going by this formula to find the mode. L I am going to write, H I am going to write, F1, F0 and F2 I am going to write, and just we need to put in this formula, right? So let me show you one by one what is L. So L is the lower limit. L stands for lower limit. Lower limit of the modal class. Modal class is this. I said many a times, this is lower limit, this is upper limit. So which is the lower limit? 70. Or you can understand the smaller number is the lower limit. Now 70 to 80, the smaller number is 70. So just a minute. Okay. So in 70 to 80, in the modal class 70 to 80, the smaller number is the modal class. So smaller number is 70. So this 70 is the, is it okay? Lower limit L. Now what is H? H is again very simple. H is the class size. H. Then I need F1, I need F0, and I need F2. Okay, I need F2. So F2. These are my aim, right? Now one by one again. So here you understood this lower limit in the modal class. What is modal class? The highest occurring frequency, the corresponding class. So 70 to 80. This is L. H is the class size. H is the class size. Class size in the sense how much the class is bigger. So this is simply upper limit minus lower limit. So that means 80 minus 70. How much? 10. So this 10 is the H. We also discussed this in the arithmetic mean. So class size. Now F1. What is F1? F1 you see here on the table. So the F1 is, out of all these, the highest frequency is called F1. So which is the highest frequency here? Of course 12, F1. The prior to this, preceding frequency, that means 8, F0. The next frequency is F2. Could you understand? So what will be F1? The highest one. And it starts in order then. F0, F1, F2. Just you need to write the highest frequency as F1. So highest frequency here 12. So this is your F1, right? F0 is the previous one. F2 is the next one. Okay. So F1, as you have understood, F1 will be now, that highest frequency 12 is F1. Preceding class frequency, that means 8 is your F0, and then what, 6 is your, is it okay? Done. Now everything is ready. Is there any doubt? Just you need to now know the formula. The formula goes like that. Therefore mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 to be multiplied by H. So just you put it and calculate yourself. L is 70 plus F1. F1 means 12. So 12 minus F0. F0 is 8. Done. Then by twice F1. So twice F1. 2 into F1. F1 is 12. Twice F1, huh? So 2 into F1. So it's 12 minus F0. F0 is 8. Okay. And F2 is 6. Just a minute. for some reason, let me change this 6 because I did this question from my own. So, okay, no problem. So this is 6 here. Done. To be multiplied by age. What is age? The class size. How much it was? 10, right? Now just calculation is left. I just do one more line and you will complete next. 70 plus. It is 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 tens are 12 minus 8 is 4, no? So 4 tens are 40. Then here, I'm trying directly. 2 into 12, 24. And this is, 8 minus 6, 14. Sorry, minus 8 minus 6, 14. So 24 minus 14 is how much? 10. So if you cancel, how much will be left? 70 plus 4, 74. Getting it? Now 74 is the answer, right? And you should write the unit, as I told many times, you should write the unit from here in the classes. So 75 centimeter is the mode. Is it okay? Could you understand, all of you? Alright. So this is how you need to find the mode. Okay, before I start the next topic, you all try one question from here, finding the median, finding the mode. Can I start? Could you understand this? Okay. So, write the next example. Can I start? Okay. So, next, you'll try this, okay? So, example 2, or it will be example 3 or 4, whatever. So, find the mode. Find the mode. The data I'm writing slightly larger. It can always also be in decimal, okay? So these are the classes, suppose classes, and here are the frequencies, right? So suppose 115 to 125, 125 to 135, 135 to 145, 145 to 155, then 155 to 165, and suppose 165 to 175, right? The frequencies are suppose 12, 17, 19, 21, suppose 20, and suppose 14. Try, everyone, try this to get the median of this data. Sorry, find the mode of the data. I'm going to start median right now after completing this. Okay, start. If you have any doubt, you ask. So what you should do first? First write the model class. First write the model class. Model class is the class which have got highest frequency, and then put the values accordingly. So any question from mean, median, mode always comes in exam. Either the mode or the mean or the median. So one is common. Okay, so till you complete this, I'm writing the next topic, median. Okay, you complete the answer. Alright, after that you'll write. So we're going to start median of group data. Median. Okay, median of ungrouped data, let me start with. Median of ungrouped data. So working rule, how to find a median. First you complete this and write the next topic, get the answer yourself. So I'm going to write everything and then I'll discuss. So this is all about the median of ungrouped data. So the working rule is number 1, arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. Right? Then what do you do? Number 2, if the number of observations n suppose is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2 least observation. Okay. Number 3, if the number of observations n is even, then if the number of observation is even, then median equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 observations and whole divided by 2. Okay, this sum to be divided by 2. Okay, so I'm going to explain. Is the answer ready for that question? How much? What is the mode? Huh? How much you got it? 50? 50? 55 you got? 55. 55 or 53? How much? Is it 55? 55, I don't think it is correct. 155. 55 cannot be. I'm telling you why it is cannot be. So 151 can be an option. You see, 55 cannot be means, you see, it should be an answer from these numbers. So you got a number like 55. Neither it is, here or in there. So it should be a number that should be lying between 115 to 175. So we get a data from here itself, not from outside. So your lowest one is 115, highest one is 1. So somewhere in the middle it should occur. Getting it? So how much you got? One is the same. 151. You got it? So show me once. Turn. What 55 can't be an option. Huh? So you're not started. Okay. Show me. You try. Okay. It will depend, yeah. So it will 145. Then 140. You also got 145 here, no? That plus. This portion is wrong. So it is 145 plus 20 by 3. You use the calculator. It will be 6 point something. Or 20 by 3. You add what is this? Then again 6 point. No, it will not be 6.5. So do you have a mobile phone with you? Divide it there. 20 by 6. 20 by 3. I think your answer is also wrong. The decimal is wrong. Yeah, 150. So it will go like 666, huh? It will go. So 145 plus 6 is 151.666, like that it will go. So you can round it off. 151.6. Here also 6 will come, so you can round it off. 151.67. 666 you can write as 67 because it will keep going, no? So you cannot round it off. It can also be correct, but since it goes like 6666, so you can write it as 151.67. You show me once again. What is the doubt? Didn't understand. Hmm? It's just to put the value only. When give the pin. This here L यहाँ नहीं लिखना है, L हम लोग बाहर लिखना है L. Okay. So यहाँ लिखने से गलत हो जाएगी. 70 it will be here plus. ठीक है. This is F1 minus F0 is correct only. F1 में जो number सबसे बड़ा है तो 12 right. So it will be 2 into 12 minus F0 ऊपर 8 then F6 okay into multiplied by h. What is h here? H मैंने ये gap okay 80 minus 70 gap कितना है 10 जो 10 gap हम लोग को यहाँ डालना है ठीक है ना बाकी 70 प्लस ये सब कैलकुलेशन है ठीक है ये this L it comes in the middle okay not in the numerator so it will be L here right complete this okay so it is 151 point how much you got 151 point that is the option 151.67 actually it goes like 6666 so you need to round it off if it is I hope it is you all know that if it is 6 that means more than 5 or above then this when you round it off it becomes 151.6 so this 6 becomes one more extra approximate answer it's not the exact one so this is an approx and you will have these options directly getting it now I said looking at your answer it is wrong because you see once how easily you can understand that same concept which number is highest here look at the board which number is highest here 21 so your highest number is 21 that means somewhere inside you'll get the answer so 151 point how much I got it means you got 151.67 is not this number here that is how you yourself understand it's correct or wrong so since highest one is 21 somewhere lying between these only so this answer is surely correct because you got a number like 151.67 which is more than 145 and less than so if you get an answer here it might be wrong because this is only 19 okay so this way you can also understand that the answer is correct or wrong is it all right okay so let's start the next topic you can write it now the median of ungrouped data start this so I just read out and I'm going to explain with examples how to find a median of ungrouped data and also I'll try to complete the median of group data how the median of group data can be found getting it so start this to find a median of group data series we arrange the data in ascending or descending order okay that is the first thing we should do then if the number of observations which I'm going to explain now if the number of observation n is odd observations are there then median will be this n plus 1 by 2 observation if number of observation n is even then median we do it by finding the average of these numbers average means n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2 okay so it will be easy if we do an example right now it might be bit confusing what to do or what not to do so I'm going to write an example write this working rule if you know this rule you can find easily the median of any ungrouped or discrete data done all right Can I start now? Is it over? You can write from him. So let me write an example and start. Hope it is done. Yes or no? Okay. Over. Did you complete? Did you write? Okay. So median of what is that? I'm going to start with ungrouped data. Then I'm going to start with group data. Okay. So both are equally important. So let us write an example. Just a minute. Okay. So two examples of this type. Example 1, which I'm going to explain. Number 2, you will try yourself. Okay. So find the median for the following data. Find the median of the following data. Find the median of the following data. Right. So let's write an example. Like in the very easy number, I'm going to start 3, 4, 2, suppose 6, 7. Okay, 4, 1, 3. Suppose one more, 5. Okay. The question is how to find a median for these ungrouped data. Getting it? Can I start? So forget about the working rule. First you try to understand what actually median means. Median means in these data either in smaller to bigger, that means ascending order, or in descending, bigger to smaller, the number that occurs in the middlemost data is median. Okay, the middlemost data that occurs here, that middlemost number. But you see, to write the middlemost directly, we don't say 6 here. It should be arranged in smaller to bigger, that means ascending, or bigger to smaller, or that means descending order. Getting it? Now here median means the middlemost data. When I discussed today the mode, what did I say? Highest occurring data. The highest occurring data is mode. Okay, and mean is the average. Mean is the average distribution, as we have already discussed that. So right now we are going to start the finding median. So median is the middlemost number that occurs here in the given data. Now to find that, what do you need to do? First you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So we preferably do ascending. So arranging the data in ascending order. So as I said, we prefer to arrange in ascending because we are comfortable more in ascending order. Okay, so we are trying to arrange the data in smaller to bigger form. Okay, we get. So now smaller to bigger, which is the smallest here? 1. So 1, then 2, then 3 2 times. So it's not that 3 2 times you will write only 1. It's not like that. You will write all the number of times if they come equal. So 1 2 3 3. I think 4 also twice. Yes or no? 5 one time. 6 one time. 7 2 times. And then 8. Is it the last? Yes or no? Is the last. Now, so data we arrange in ascending order. Now what you need to do? Just to count how many numbers are there. So that one we call n. N for number of observations. So n means how many numbers? Direct just counting. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. How many are here? 11. Now you need to see, could you understand this? Counting is what? How many such data are there? Total how many numbers? We have 11. Now you have to see this is even or odd. Even or odd? 11 is odd. If it is odd, now look at this. If it is odd, the odd formula. Which one? This one. Okay, if it is odd, then we will go by this, not by this, right? Now since it is odd, the formula goes like, the finding median is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 we will find out, and that observation we will be writing. So since it is odd, therefore, write it, since it is odd, therefore median equal to, say median equal to n plus 1 by this observation or this data, this observation, right? So just you put it, n, what is n here? 11. So n is 11 this way, huh? N is 11 plus 1 by 2, this number. That, let me do directly now. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6th observation. So which is the 6th observation? Just to count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number? So 4 is the, is it okay? Could you understand? Done. So what you'll do, you just arrange them in ascending or descending order. Then I found it here odd. So then 11. So I am using the formula that is there for finding median or even number of datas. Sorry, odd number of datas. So the formula is n plus 1 by 2. So n is 11. So 11 plus 1 by 2. Getting it? 11 6 data. So 6 data you count it from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which number? 4 is the required median. Is it okay? Now next one you'll try yourself, where I'm going to show you, write an example that that might come what? Even. So I'm just showing the formula what to do. For even you will go by this, n by 2, then n by 2 plus 1, there sum will do, sum of those two numbers, then divide by what? 2. Okay, try one example. Find the median. Find the median for the given data. Find the median for the given data. So I'm trying an example which you might get it in even. So 10, 8, 4, 6, 12, 3, 7. Okay, suppose 18, 16, okay, 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try. Now even data. Rest of the things are same. The formula will be different because how to start it? Arrange them in ascending order. Then you count n. Then write in the formula. Good. By 2, divide by 2, so whole divided by 2 is there. Yes. No. This number will be, it will depend to 10 by 2 means fifth. So the th to thakibo, then it will say the term fifth. There 10 by 2 means how much? 5 plus 1. It is fifth plus sixth divided by 2. Okay. Fifth number you write it now, which is the fifth number. Show me once. Correct. Now here it is wrong because we don't add 5 plus 6. What you have to do? Put a bracket. This data actually. So th is required. Now 5 plus 6 11. No. fifth data. Fifth mane, which one is fifth? 1 2 3 4. So what is that? 8 plus sixth. Which one is sixth here? 10 by their number. If you do 5 plus 6, it is wrong totally. How much you got it? Oh, no, I'm coming to you. So this is this step is wrong. You see, when I was writing, I wrote plus 1 in the middle, not there. Okay, so plus 1 will be here, plus 1. Otherwise 10 plus 1 you can 11 by 2 is not a number. So 10 plus 1 will be here. That means 10 by 2 how much? 5. 5 plus 1? Sixth. It will be sixth number. So fifth number and sixth number you write it. Show me. No, here, from here it is wrong. It's not 5 plus 6. It's not 5 plus 6. It is th asle not th. Yes or no? Th. So fifth and sixth number you need to write here, from here. So fifth number 1 2 3 4 5. Which one is fifth? 8. Then sixth. So those two numbers you write. 8 plus 10 by 2. Show me once. No. So give me. How many numbers are there? So you are doing the previous one. Okay, completed. Done. So as you have told me just now, say after arranging, Manjita, did you get the answer? Manjita, are you trying? Okay. So I just write it once here so that those who are, those will be seeing the video later, they can go for this answer. So arranging the data in what order? In ascending order we get. So we can arrange in descending also, right? So please say first, which one is the smallest? 3, then 4, please say first. 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, correct? 16, 18. Now we just arrange them in ascending order. Now what do you have to see? N for number of observations. So as I have already counted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are there. Now since it is 10 and it is an even number. Now when it is an even number, the formula will be totally different. Therefore median equal to, so it should be like this. The formula is like that. For even and odd, the formula is different. So for odd, this is the formula. For even, this is the formula for finding the median. So now to find the median, since it is an even number, so it will go like n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Here I have seen some confusion. Some of you did not use these letters and get the answer wrong. You are adding directly 5 plus 6. That is totally wrong. We have to write the fifth and sixth data the way you got just now. Okay, so these observations whole divided by 2, right? So n by 2 means n is 10, so it is 10 by 2. This observation plus n by 2 means 10 by 2 plus 1, this observation divided by 2. Now 10 by 2 means fifth. 10 by 2 is 5, so fifth plus directly 10 by 2 is 5, 5 plus 1, sixth. Sixth observations whole divided by 2. So this is now done. Now I repeat again, you have done 5 plus 6, that is wrong. Fifth observation you have to see. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth is 8 and sixth is 10. So these are the numbers 8 and 10, fifth and 6. So just you put it there, 8 plus 10 divided by 2, so 18. 18 by 2 is how much? 9. Is it okay now? So I just tried 2 examples. One is for even data and one is for odd data. Both of these you'll try yourself, right? So I'm just going to write the formula for finding the median of group data. Okay, you all will try these two methods. Group data, I don't think I'll be able to start today, but I'm going to write the formula at least so that we can start from there in the next class. So, done? Is it over? Any doubt? इसमें नहीं देखना, यहाँ पे देखना है. 6 नंबर हमने लिखा. Yes, 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 yes. नहीं, ये नहीं. 5th नंबर को यहाँ पे हम लोग को दोनों नंबर लिखना है. 5th भी 6th भी. So 5th लिख दिया. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, 5th दिया. 8 तो लिख दिया अभी. यहाँ पे 10 लिख दिया. So 8 and 10 ऐड करके डिवाइड करना है. 5th नंबर हमने अभी ऑलरेडी लिख दिया है इसमें, तो इसमें दोबारा 9th नंबर नहीं लिखना है. ये देखो हम लोग 6th नंबर, इसमें 6th नंबर कौन सा है? 4 है. सो 4th है. हमने दोबारा 4th लिखा है क्या? नहीं लिखा है ना. तो इसलिए ये 6th नंबर को लिखना है. 6th नंबर है 4, सो 4. इसमें हम लोग 5th and 6th दोनों को लिखना है. देन ऐड करके डिवाइड बाई 2. ओके. सो इसमें तो द वे हम लोगों ने इसमें फिर 4th डाटा को नहीं लिखा है ना, 6 को एक बार लिखा है. सो यहाँ पे भी 5th and 6th को लिख के वहाँ पे डालना है. एवरेज फाइंड करना है. एवरेज मीन्स दे आर सम डिवाइडेड बाय 2. इज इट ओके? इज इट ऑलराइट? डन ना? 9th ऑब्जर्वेशन. 9th ऑब्जर्वेशन कौन सा है? नहीं, ये 9th ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं है. 8 ना, 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन है ये वाला. 6th ये वाला. सो द 9 विल बी द आंसर. सॉरी, 9 विल बी द आंसर. ओके. ये जैसे 4 आए हैं, इसमें 9 आएगा. ये दो नंबर लिखना है, दोनों नंबर को लिखना है हम लोग. डिड यू गेट द आंसर? ओके. डन ना? So, just to write the median for group data, I am going to start in the next class. The formula only, median of group data. Finding median of group data. I thought of starting this, but we will not have time to do this. So, median for group data is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is the formula. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So in your textbook it might be capital N also. That doesn't matter. Okay. So this is the formula for finding median of group data, which I am going to start in my next class. How the median can be obtained, because it takes time to start it. So we'll be doing in the next class. Okay. All right. Thank you.